Hi, I'm Dr. Carrie Jones. I am a women's health and hormone expert with over 20 years in the field, and I am so excited you're here because, much like you, I am perimenopausal also. Now, you may be menopausal or postmenopausal, but regardless, you're in the right place because I know that hormones can feel like herding cats. Like one day you have this symptom, this day you have that symptom, all the symptoms come together, and then they go away, and then they come back. And no one's talked to you about perimenopause and menopause. No one has explained this transition, or they've sort of demonized it, or they've left you hanging, or they told you there's no options. And I'm here to debunk all of that. So welcome to my YouTube. Welcome to all the videos where I'm going to go through all sorts of things around this transition. I have been educating about hormones a long time, and I love it. Selfishly, I got into hormones in medical school because I wanted to know what was happening with me. My story is this. I was raised in the South, and in the South, in whatever our health class was, our football coach was the health teacher. He's the one who explained what was going on in our bodies. And let me tell you, that did not go over very well. Other than don't get pregnant, don't put the P in the V, that was it. That's what we got. So imagine growing up, not knowing very much what was happening in my body, and watching my mom go through menopause, which was a real struggle, was honestly kind of horrifying. Like, that's what comes. So when I went through medical school and learned I could learn all about hormones and help myself selfishly and all my patients understand what was happening in their body through the years, it made a world of difference. So I saw patients for a long time, almost 15 years. I was the medical director for a lab test called the Dutch test by Precision Analytical for almost a decade. I was the first head of medical education at Rupa Health, which is a lab test platform. I've done a lot of conferences, a lot of education. I've done a lot of things in the hormone world for a long time, and I get it. So you are absolutely in the right place. So we're going to talk about absolutely everything. So buckle up. I'm really excited you're here, and make sure that you hit that follow, sign up, and let's get going.